Are you considering divorce but unsure how to navigate the process while keeping it peaceful? This question, although uncomfortable, is one many couples grapple with. But fret not, as the road to separation doesn't have to be paved with bitterness and endless court battles. Welcome to the world of Divorce with Dignity, a service designed to assist couples in navigating the divorce process peacefully and with dignity. It's not about winning or losing, it's about resolving and moving forward. Picture a couple. Let's call them George and Lisa. They've been married for 25 years, have raised 2 beautiful children, and have built a life together. But now, they're at a crossroads. They've decided to part ways, but they want to do it in a way that preserves their dignity, respects their shared history, and safeguards their children's well-being. This is where Divorce with Dignity steps in. It's not just about dividing assets, such as the family home, retirement accounts, and investments. It's about ensuring a smooth transition for everyone involved, especially the children. Divorce with Dignity prioritizes peaceful negotiation over stressful litigation. It helps couples like George and Lisa to communicate effectively, to understand their rights and responsibilities, and to make informed decisions about their future. One of the greatest benefits of this approach is the control it provides. Rather than leaving the fate of your family in the hands of the court, you and your spouse can shape the outcome in a way that best serves everyone involved. This often results in a more satisfying settlement and a healthier post-divorce relationship. Moreover, Divorce with Dignity saves you money. Court battles can be expensive, with costs spiraling out of control even before the final verdict is reached. By choosing a peaceful resolution, you can significantly reduce these costs and ensure that your resources are used for the well-being of your family instead. Divorce is never easy, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be traumatic. It's a path to a new beginning, not an end. It's about embracing change, learning from the past, and stepping into the future with grace and courage. So if you're considering divorce, remember that you don't have to go through it alone. Divorce with Dignity is here to guide you through this difficult journey. Reach out to them today and take the first step towards a peaceful resolution. After all, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. Let this be the start of your new chapter, handled with dignity and respect.